Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the delightful world of souffle pancakes. To start, you'll need to separate 2 large eggs, keeping the yolks and whites in separate bowls. Then, measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't forget 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for fluffy success. Now let's build that incredible fluff. First, whisk your egg whites with 2 tablespoons of sugar until they form beautiful, stiff peaks. This meringue is key to the pancake's airy texture. In another bowl, mix the egg yolks with your milk, vanilla, and melted butter. Then, carefully fold your dry ingredients into this yolk mixture. Remember, a few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, and we want them wonderfully tender. This next step is crucial for that signature soufflé texture. Gently fold your fluffy meringue into the pancake batter in 2 parts, being careful to keep all that wonderful air. Next, heat a non-stick pan over low to medium-low heat, lightly greased. Spoon or pipe generous mounds of batter onto the pan. Add about 1 tablespoon of water to the pan, then cover it with a lid to steam for 4 to 5 minutes. This helps them rise beautifully and cook through evenly. Once steamed, carefully flip your pancakes and cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. You'll know they're ready when they feel incredibly light and airy, with a slight wobble. These delicate, fluffy clouds are best enjoyed right away. Pile them high and top with fresh berries, a dusting of powdered sugar, or a generous drizzle of warm maple syrup for a truly special treat. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.